You need to stop trusting algorithms with what matters most. Here's why human accountability is a non-negotiable in AI decision making. This is a slide from a 1979 IBM presentation, and it states that a computer can never be held accountable and must never make a management decision. This remains highly relevant in our current world and how we utilize our AI systems. When implementing AI, we must consider that there is still human accountability behind it. People make decisions, not machines. AI is great for analyzing data and helping people to make those decisions, but it should not in itself be a decision maker. For example, UnitedHealthcare Group explored how to use AI and machine learning to predict which denials of post-acute care cases were likely to be appealed and which of those appeals were likely to be overturned. But here's the T. In November 2023, the healthcare insurance provider was hit with a class action lawsuit accusing it and its subsidiary Navi Healthcare of relying on a computer algorithm to systematically deny claims of Medicare beneficiaries. The suit also claimed that the company knew this model had a 90% error rate. The suit also exposed that despite the unusually high error rate, the company continued to systematically deny claims using their flawed AI model, because they knew only about 2% of policyholders would actually appeal the denied claims, and the vast majority would just pay the out-of-pocket costs. Ultimately, it shouldn't be down to an algorithm to make those decisions. A machine cannot be held accountable. Trusting a decision to your AI is like trusting a decision to a calculator. If you entered a sum wrong or it got the incorrect number from a calculator, you couldn't blame the calculator. You would still be responsible for checking it. Accountability is crucial when it comes to AI delivery and utilization. There are three really important aspects to consider: fairness, accountability, and transparency. This is also known as the FAT framework, affectionately known as the FAT framework. Every time we implement AI systems, they should have socially acceptable outcomes. If you implement an AI, you are responsible for ensuring that it does have socially acceptable outcomes. And I'll say it again for the people at the back: socially acceptable outcomes. How do you think organizations should be held accountable for ensuring that technology that they implement produces socially acceptable outcomes? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy this kind of content, don't just scroll past, bookmark this post for insights that you can reference later, and make sure to follow this account for more discussions on human-centric innovation. Your engagement helps shape meaningful conversations.